Find or read reviews that people are talking of Viver Dust Extractor, 6.5 gallon wet and dry HEPA filter, automatic dust cleaning, 1200 watt powerful motor vacuum cleaner. Heavy duty shop vacuum with attachments. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose Viver Dust Extractor. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Wet and dry vacuum cleaner, 1200 watt powerful motor and reusable filter and extra nozzles. Key features: high capacity tank. The HEPA Shop Vac features a 6.5 gallon/25 liters stainless steel tank. Large capacity, and reduced dumping times. Automatic dust shaking. Our dust extractor has automatic reverse blowing dust removal filter cleaning mode. It is easy to clean without taking it out by yourself. Secure buoy technology. The nose features security buoy technology, secure and waterproof, which can easily deal with a possible splash in a severe industrial scene. Powerful suction. 1200 watts high water lift motor provides superior suction and power, high working efficiency, and low energy consumption. Ergonomic grip handle. The HEPA Shop Vacuum is equipped with a user-friendly handle for carrying, ensuring convenient transporting and saving labor. Easy mobility. With 4 universal wheels, this HEPA filter shop vacuum can move easily and is suitable for large-scale cleaning. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.